I'd just like to say that this wedding has been a 5-month-long adventure, and it's taken a lot of pain, especially on mom and dad's part, to organize this finally. It's been like 14 days ago, I didn't know when the wedding was. 5 days ago, I didn't know where the wedding was. Not even the city. It's been crazy, and yeah, it's great.
Yeah, and I personally feel the same. This has been a roller coaster ride, but even through all of this, I'm really happy that we get to marry our respective best friends. And as Fagun said, it has been a whirlwind ride so far, with a lot of tensions involved in the way. But I would not take this back, even though there has been a lot of trouble. And especially I would like to thank Fagun's parents for organizing all of this on such short notice. And this has been one of the happiest weekends of my life.
रात दा मेरा मैं, तू ही चन्न मेरा है। देख कितना सोना रब ने साथ लिख दिया है। अब ये ख्वाब टूटे ना, साथ अब ये छूटे ना। कस के तू थाम लेना पिया, हर सांस तेरे नाम में कर दूं, गम सारे तेरे खुद में ही भर लूं। रहना बस मेरे रूबरू, ओ सोने मेरे सोने, मैनू नहीं जीना तेरे बिना। ओ सोने मेरे सोने, मैनू नहीं जीना तेरे बिना।
ऐसा देखा नहीं खूबसूरत कोई, जिस्म जैसे अजंता की मूरत कोई। जिस्म जैसे निगाहों पे जादू कोई, जिस्म नगमा कोई, जिस्म खुशबू कोई। जिस्म जैसे महकती हुई चांदनी, जिस्म जैसे मचलती हुई रागिनी। जिस्म जैसे के खिलता हुआ एक चमन, जिस्म जैसे के सूरज की पहली किरण। जिस्म तरशा हुआ दिल कशो दिल नशी, संदली संदली मरमरी मरमरी।
I'm very happy that in Devrat we have a very good son-in-law, and we are connecting with an excellent family, well educated, cultured, family. I am very sure that Chikku will be happy with Dev and she'll be happy in the family. I can only say that all of us, though people have not been able to come due to COVID, but all the same, all of us in the family, what we call as Kutum in the family, today is blessing Chikku and Dev, and everybody's best wishes are there with them. And that is all I can say at the moment.